Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a bacon lattice. Start by gathering strips of bacon and chilling them so they stay firm while you work. Lay 2 parallel strips and begin weaving crosswise to form a tight, even pattern. Keep strands close but not overlapped, and trim excess to fit your pan. Once woven, chill briefly, then bake on a rack until crisp to set the lattice shape and texture. To weave a steady lattice, start with a firm base and add cross strips one by one, alternating over and under like a basket. Pull each strip gently to tighten the pattern, keeping edges aligned for a neat finish. If pieces shift, press lightly with a spatula and chill for a few minutes to set the weave. Trimming ends helps the lattice fit your dish and ensures even cooking when baked on a rack. Bake the lattice on a rack at moderate heat so fat renders and the weave crisps without becoming greasy. Let the bacon cool slightly to firm the lattice before moving it. This prevents breaking and keeps the pattern intact. Use the finished lattice as a dramatic pie topping, sandwich layer, or bacon blanket for meats. Save the drippings for frying vegetables or adding savory depth to gravies and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.